Ndewo. No. Hello, you're welcome to Igbo tutorial. I am Blessing Ifnaya Chikuma. Today, we are going to learn the Igbo alphabets known as Abidebo. We are going to learn how the letters are pronounced, a word beginning with the letter, and an English sound you can relate it with for better understanding. Note, the alphabet lessons on this channel are based on the Omu orthography, which is a standard spelling system for the Igbo language. This means that you may find additional consonants and vowels in other dialects. Let's begin. A, a, aka, aka. B, B, bekee, bekee. Chi, chi, chinchi, chinchi. D, dọkịta, dọkịta. E, egbe, egbe. Fe, fe, fe. G, g. Gụọ, gụọ. Gbe, gbe. Gbanye, gbanye. Ghe, ghe. Ghọrọ, ghọrọ. Gwe, gwe. Gwongworo, gwongworo. He, he. Hụọ, hụọ. I, i. Iko, iko. E, e. Ikwe, ikwe. Je, je. Ji, ji. Ke, ke. Karama, karama. Kpe, kpe. Kpakpando, kpakpando. Kwe, kwe. Kwụsị, kwụsị. Le, le. Letter, letter. Me, me. Mbe, mbe. Ni, ni. Nkịta, nkịta. Nge, nge. Ṅụọ, ṅụọ. Nwe, nwe. Nwa, nwa. Nye, nye. Nyaa, nyaa. O, o. Oroma, oroma. ọ ọ ọnwa ọnwa pe pe puku puku re re rie rie si si sie sie shi isha isha. In the Igbo language, I've not seen many words starting with she, but in this word isha, there is she in the middle. T tomato tomato. U unere unere. O ụlọ ụlọ. V vọ we wa ye z zota. That brings us to the end of the Igbo alphabet. Remember, the fastest way to pronounce correctly is to listen, repeat, and practice. Till next time, Keomesia.